Mummy, breakfast?
Alright, breakfast coming. Breakfast, okay. Wow, that's great. So yummy.
Mommy, I want fries.
Fries? Okay. Oh, lovely. Baby girl, your fries is ready. Come.
Darling, lunchtime, no rush eh?
Lunch? Okay. Without rice? Okay, coming. Ha! Chicken chop. Wow, love it. Han, you're gonna love this, Han.
Mummy, tea time.
What? Tea time. Samosa! Kids will love this. Oh, okay. Ready, my samosa! Yay!
Darling, salmon for dinner.
You want salmon for dinner? Air fryer Philips. Can you give me salmon? Salmon! Yes!